break down. So I'm gonna see how we do at the track. At Ennis, Texas, IFO 2022. I got the half shaft done, so I'm excited that we're gonna run down the track. I'm pretty sure nothing gonna break this time, but you know, you never know. Dial in at 11.5 index. So my first qualifying run was 12.5 at 126 miles per hour. I was peeling out throughout the whole first gear. I didn't warm up my tire good enough, so that was that. All right, I finally got my second run in. Still not getting good traction. I ran 11.99 at 129 mile per hour. So I got the mile per hour. It's just I need the traction on first gear, you know. But I need to work on everything else. Of course, my 60-foot sucked 1.98, but that has to do with the traction. So hopefully my third run right here, which is a qualifying run, I can do a better time. Hopefully I hit 11.5 since I'm in the 11.5 bracket. Let's see what happens. Round was next when she was running a yellow neon.
Blue dew, blue moon, kinda mysterious, shaded with someone I'm not really into. Do you need to fix it? Talking bullshit. It's hard to see you when your eyes look dull. Save you, who's gonna make you not blue dew, bad mood, sort of witty and jaded, but let's not talk about you. Your K20 song on a rerun. Singing on. Who's gonna save you? Who's gonna make you not blue?
So on that, I did terrible. I ran like a 13.8 and I just go ahead and let go. What happened was that after first gear, I had boost cutoff. And the reason why was that my engine wasn't warm up yet. That's on me because K-Pro got a protection on there that if your engine is not warm up to a certain temperature, it will go ahead and boost cut it to save your motor. So that's all me, all my fault. The boost cut off, the second gear, because my engine wasn't warm up enough. Because my engine, you gotta warm it up real warm before, because it's on a protection mode. And I didn't let it warm up enough, and next time I just disable the protection, the thermostat protection, the temperature protection, engine protection, that's what it is. Because they want your car warm up. I didn't warm it up. I still got testing too. If they let me testing too. And the next time I had was a time trial, and I'm just trying to get this car down. I'm gonna get better track time with the car. That's actually my best full run down the whole track with, you know, less problem and stuff. But there's still no excuse. My car should be running, you know, in the perfect world, the car should be running a 10.2. But with me, I was hoping I'm running, you know, high 10s, low 11s. It can happen, but I just need more time with my car at the track.